The Brightline West high-speed rail service represents one of the most ambitious and transformative transportation projects of the 21st century, symbolizing a bold shift toward modern, sustainable, and high-performance travel across key regions of the United States. Designed to connect Las Vegas, Nevada, with major destinations in Southern California, particularly through Rancho Cucamonga with access to Los Angeles, this high-speed train introduces not just a new mode of mobility, but a statement of elegance, efficiency, and progressive engineering. The project carries a financial weight of over $50 billion and a vision far greater: to redefine how people think about land travel, reduce driving fatigue, cut carbon emissions, and showcase that the United States is ready to embrace rail technology at the level of nations like Japan, France, and China. The Brightline West trains are built to operate at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, allowing passengers to move between destinations quickly and comfortably, eliminating the stress associated with airline delays, long security lines, or congested highways like the I-15 corridor, which often faces heavy traffic, especially during holidays and tourist seasons. The interior of the train is designed with a luxury-first mindset, offering premium seating, Wi-Fi connectivity, power outlets, silent cabins, and smooth suspension-based motion that allows travelers to read, work, rest, or simply enjoy scenic views of the desert landscape. The project has been celebrated for its environmentally friendly foundation, using fully electric trains that produce zero direct emissions, and strategically influencing a future where modern rail systems reduce national carbon footprints. Construction has been a massive operation, involving thousands of skilled workers, advanced assembly facilities, precision engineering robots, and carefully monitored quality control protocols to ensure that every part of the train meets both safety and performance standards. The backbone of the Brightline West brand is identity: a sleek aerodynamic shape, bold forward-facing nose design, and a signature color scheme of white and blue which gives the train a futuristic yet elegant appearance, resembling high-grade technological sophistication and travel luxury. When showcased in promotional ceremonies, such as the envisioned international-style launch events, the train stands in grand luxury showrooms with polished marble flooring, bright studio lighting, and an atmosphere of celebration. In South Africa, where emerging transportation culture is blending modern and luxury influences, the Brightline West story resonates as a symbol of growth, pride, and innovation, illustrating how nations can rise forward using smart travel infrastructure. Imagining a ceremonial scene where South African celebrities, business leaders, engineers, and travel influencers stand on both sides of the train, surrounded by over 200 people witnessing the unveiling, captures not just a visual moment but a cultural milestone of admiration. The golden text, $50 billion project, printed proudly on the side of the train highlights the scale, ambition, and commitment behind this technological marvel. The Brightline West train is more than steel, glass, and propulsion. It is a future highway without wheels, a promise of faster human connection, a cleaner planet, and a lifestyle where luxury and public transport can exist together without compromise. As the construction progresses through robotic assembly lines and factory workshops, mechanical components such as motors, braking systems, chassis structures, and suspension systems are carefully integrated and tested under advanced simulated conditions to ensure seamless operation when the first passenger service begins. Workers in protective gear move diligently across the assembly floor, welding, installing circuitry, and verifying measurements to micrometer precision, capturing a symphony of engineering brilliance and human effort. The train's aerodynamic design reduces air drag, allowing it to maintain high-speed stability while conserving energy. Its cabin is insulated to minimize sound, ensuring a quiet and restful journey regardless of speed. The driving cockpit features futuristic digital dashboards, intelligent navigation systems, and advanced safety controls monitored through central command networks. When the train eventually runs through its dedicated tracks across the desert, sunshine reflecting on its polished surface, it will become a symbol of American modernization, inspiring countless similar projects both locally and globally. The Brightline West project makes history not only by connecting cities but by redefining what travel can feel like: smooth, fast, silent, elegant, and efficient. It stands as a reminder that the future belongs to those who build it, and Brightline West is building a future where time, comfort, and environmental responsibility coexist in perfect balance.